laying on the garage floor.
Fucking on the boat. Take it out for a spin. Trying out something. Take the clock. Definitely that was goes in the middle of the temple. There's a couple more. Big one. Left over from the American house. Ah, jeez.
Yeah, should have stayed there.
You sunk my dinghy. You sunk my dinghy.
I got a plastic outboard I'll bring next week. I'll give it to you.